Hi everyone. Our business idea is about online furniture business including folding furniture in Pakistan. Our company name is Furniture Land for You Corporation Limited. You can contact us at our following numbers 0346 050 5187. You can reach us by our official email address which is furniturelandforyou@gmail.com. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, as well as you can join our official WhatsApp group for latest updates. The purpose of our company is to make modern lifestyle by providing also foldable furniture with unique features in Pakistan. Our company is intent to launch furniture with unique features like foldable and light beds. The big thing is that our company will deliver the products to customers at their doorstep.
Offering. Our company offers modern, latest design with unique furniture as well as folding furniture with free and fast shipping. Other company offer modern, latest design with also shipping charges also. Location. The location of our company is Chungi number 6 Multan. The location of other company is near Wabda town Lahore. Service. The services of our company are free delivery and online buying, folding and latest furniture designs and furnitures. The services of other company are physical store and online purchase latest design furnitures. Customer base of our company online buyers, customer base of other company physical and online buyers. Delivery charges of our company free delivery, and the delivery charges of other company charges according to the customer location. Total available market. It is expected that around 3 billion of market size for furniture business is available. Serviceable market. The serviceable market size of furniture is 80% of $3 billion, which is about $24 billion. Share of market. We can grab about 13% per year of $3 billion. We can get customer by using online social media platforms which are Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. How many times customer will purchase? Customer will make purchase as many times as they want. We can get about 150 to 200 orders in a year.
Assalamu alaikum. I am here to describe some problems and solution of that problems which can face by our company and start. Problem number one is trust factor. Because our site is too new, no one is going to buy from our site, and if no one is buying, we don't get experience. Second problem, customer return. The goods returned products have usually been opened or may or not be in a condition that allows us to be resold. The sale then losing the ability to sell that product is also a frustrating experience for us. Third one problem is misleading pictures. Customer mind is set that product picture that we or other businesses seen on the sites can be different in place of actual. Customer can't touch and feel the product. This is also a biggest drawback for our business. Price war due to excessive competition between prices, because there is always someone who is willing to sell that product in low cost, and this is also a um, problem which we face in start of our company. Product damage and customer complaints. Our furniture site objective is including safe and prompt furniture which deliver to the customer. Even odd shaped furniture items, achieving this goal can be also a difficult. Receiving damaged products will likely result in customer complaints, and if we don't handle that properly, can hit the reputation of our business. Now there is some solution of these problems. The first one solution is post real picture of product. We can't be edit or filtered our product before placing picture on site for sale. We place original picture without editing to cover this risk. Second, building relationship through content. Blogging regularly can show that we invest in our business, our industry, and also our customer problems, which is good sign for customer. Content can help customer to get familiar with our brand, especially if we share stories and develop a distinct brand voice or product voice. Both of these things will show personality behind our product. The third one, solution, make yourself available for customer inquiries. Customers are unsure about our product because they may reach out to us through several different methods, including our site, contact form, email, and social media profile. They know about return policies, shipping dates, or other product information. We respond to the customer within 2 minutes and forward answer. Customer today's demand is more urgent. Then we give 5% of discounting vouchers to the customer in start.
Why now? People are not able to go to a physical furniture stores. People want to buy latest, modern and some unique design furniture. So, due to COVID-19, we have best opportunity and it is flexibility of our time to update new versions of foldable furniture.
In a business model canvas, key partners are backward partners, forward partners, payment partners, social media partners. And then there is a key activities. Key activities are marketing, processing and managing orders, application development, and delivery management. Key resources. Key resources are financial resources, technological resources, physical resources. Then there is a value proposition. In a value proposition, high quality with affordable price, including free shipping and also having installment plans. No need to go to a physical store. Space saving furniture which is affordable. Next is a customer segments. Our customers are those who buy furniture for office use, government institutions, educational institutions, individuals for home. And then next is customer relationship. Personal assistant through email, reviews and feedbacks, social discounts on first order. Then there is a cost structure. There are fixed cost, employee salary, electricity charges, and then variable cost, marketing cost, product delivery cost, and other expenses. Then there is a revenue stream. Cost by cost by advertisement, by office rent, by salaries, income by commission. Then there are market channels, social media channels, websites, mobile and computers, advertisements.
Our company's financial worksheet for the year 2021 shows that our revenue from sales, which includes commission, is 17 lakh and from services 50,000 and other revenue is 50,000. So our total revenue is 18 lakh. And there are expenses. Our advertising expense are 50,000, utilities expense are 40,000, supplies expense includes 1 lakh 50,000, rent expense are 1 lakh 20,000, and our salaries expense are 6 lakh 80,000. So our total expenses are 10 lakh 40,000. So our net income for the year 2021 is 7 lakh 60,000. And the next is our team members. The first is Sharoz Shafi, which is me. I perform my duties as Chief Executive Officer. I have clear communication, growth mindset, open mindedness, and decisiveness. The next is Komal Shaban, which perform her duties as accounts manager. She has a good sense of humor. She can manage all kinds of transactions and she has excellent skills both written and in verbal. And the third is Asnia Rabnawaz. She will perform her duties as customer service executive. She has excellent speaking skills. She has empathy, adaptability, and ability to use positive language. She has also good self control. And our fourth member is Isma Jahan. She will perform her duties as order processing or order booker. She will achieve sales target and build relationships with customers. Thank you so much to all of you.